right, let's test it out.
Hi my friends, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another review. For today's review, we have Power Smart's portable generator. And as you can see, we can easily pick it up with one hand, so it packs a punch, but it's not so heavy that you need multiple people to carry it. Let's go ahead and unbox it and test it out. So this is the packaging, as you can see. Now it is a little heavy, but it's not too heavy that you're gonna break your back. Now you can see that it's rated for 1,000 watts and it can handle a maximum of 1,200. You probably want to stay within the 900 range to efficiently keep this running longer and lasting longer. Okay, for the handle, go ahead and put the 2 screws down in like that, line it up, and just simply screw them down in. Make them tight. So this is the unit itself. I like how everything is set up. That's for starting. You then switch it over when it's to run. So for starting, you would have it, the lever over here, and you would pull it. It says turn the gas valve on. Then engine switch. Let's see, it's kind of blocked a little bit. So, turn the gas on by pressing this button. So you turn it to the on position. Then the engine switch on. Open the choke before use. And then turn the gas valve off when you're not using it. Okay, let's take a look at the front here a little bit. This is for cleaning the air filter. You would take that off. Here you have your outlet. As you can see, you can use a 2-prong, 3-prong, or sideways prong. You can pause the video right here if you want to read some more information. Again, once the handle's on, it's easy to move it around. Here's the side, and here you can see you can put in DC 12 volt, 5.3 amps, DC protector reset. Here it shows you again how to start your engine and more information. The spark plug. Overall, it's really nice. This is a really nice unit. It's big, but not too big where it's way too bulky. And of course, here's some accessories. You have your manual. You have alligator clamps going into a plug, so you can use that to charge batteries, your vehicle. The nice thing about this whole system is you guys can take this with you if you go camping or if you lose power. There's so many uses for a gas generator. Now here's something, keep in mind, it's a 50-to-1 fuel ratio. So 1.1 gallons of gas, 2.5 fluid ounces, 2 cycle oil. So you mix it and then you mix it thoroughly. So keep that in mind, and you just simply turn here. And inside here, you have your gasoline level. So it tells you don't overfill. You can pull that out. Make sure you place it back in correctly. And then you can just line up these pins like this. And then just turn it back to lock it in place. So we need to get 2.5 fluid ounces of 2 cycle oil. And we will show you guys it running. There's the on and off. There's to start it, keep it on the start. So again, to start it, turn the gas valve on. Push the button up, so it should be pushed on the top. Keep it on start. Give it some pulls until it starts running. Once it starts idling, keep it on start for a little bit and slowly bring it up. Just slowly bring it up to run. It might stall a couple times the first use. If it does, drop it back to start and repeat. Okay? Great. 192 watts, it's charging this. So there we go. It is proof that it's working. Watch as I remove it. It stops charging. Plug it in. It starts charging again. Now this can handle up to 1,000 watts. Max rating is 1,200, but it can handle 1,000. This is about 150 watts, and that's just the capacity of the charger. Overall, this is amazing, and it's perfect for camping, and it's quiet too. All right, it's still going. Nice. Running perfect. Let's see what the charge is at. 71%. Nice. This is amazing. I love how quiet it is compared to the other ones. It's quiet, it's compact. I'm telling you guys, don't sleep on this. Don't sleep on it. This is nice. And when you're done, go ahead and turn it off. Slide this back to the start position. Over here, make sure you turn the gas valve off. Turn that off. And there we go. So that's the gas valve. There's the on and off. There's to start it, keep it on the start. So again, to start it, turn the gas valve on. Push the button up, so it should be pushed on the top. Keep it on start. Give it some pulls until it starts running. Once it starts idling, keep it on start for a little bit and slowly bring it up. Just slowly bring it up to run. It might stall a couple times the first use. If it does, drop it back to start and repeat. Okay? Great.